Good morning, friends. Today I'm recording a poem by Dr. Ram Sharma of Meerut, India. And the poem is being played or read behind the music is from Tina Turner's recording. Asana, posture, cross-legged, sitting near the silent, serene river, losing the feeling of body, limbs motionless, mind blossom like a lake, joy, peace, Om Shanti, concentration. So let's sing along with Tina. Om Shanti Bhavatu. Shanti Bhavatu. Namaste, friends.